Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I stated in that other video, so this is part 2, that you're going to vector engrave these blue lines so it won't, if you cut all those out, the insides are going to fall out. So if you cut out this inside, this is just going to be the shape of the butterflies upside down. But I do a little color mapping, but I think this is just as quick. And you don't have to worry about colors. You know, you have to, that blue has to be the exact color in your color mapping. So let's just go to Edit, Find and Replace, Edit Query. Go down to Lines and Outline Properties, hit OK. You need to click on the property wording. Then hit on color, go down and get your eyedropper tool, grab that blue and say okay, okay, and then find all. And while they're selected, Control G and group them together. Then you can nudge them up out of the way and you could run this job at whatever speed. And like I said in the first video, I would definitely test your cuts. And I still believe that it doesn't need if you didn't watch the first one, you could put a design in here instead of this living hinge because it's such a little slope. I might even cut, if I've got time tomorrow, I might even cut this out and not do the living hinge and see if it works. So run this at whatever power you need to get through the wood, nudge that out of the way, grab these and nudge them down, and then run this job at 100 power at 75, 80 speed. I would actually do that first in case these fall out. You could run this, nudge these out of the way, and then grab all these and nudge these and do your pass-through cutting where it's going to cut everything out. And then that way the blue lines will already be there, as you can see like that. The blue lines are just what I call vector engraving. It's just going to mark the surface. This to me is easy. It's a lot easier than color mapping and just as fast because you can have this run that job while that job's running, nudge that up, nudge these over, and press go and run another job. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.